In this video, we'll focus on the scatter chart. So if you understand how a bubble chart works, where you have 3 levels of data, and that's even more complicated compared to scatter. So the scatter works with an x-axis and a y-axis. So that makes it easier because there's only 2 values or 2 data points compared to a bubble. So let's go back here and start to look at the scatter chart. So to create a scatter chart, we need to adjust the type from bubble to scatter. So we go back here and we say here in our type, instead of bubble, we have scatter. If you save this, let's see if that works already. So you can see it works already, and it even ignores the R value of the radius value. So what we can do really to make this really all correct, let's remove all of those. And then we have our values, and let's make a negative value as well, so it's nice to see some contrast. So once we did that, you can see we have 4 data points. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And in these data points we have basically this data point has an array, and in an array is another array for every single data. That's what happens here, and you can see it's nicely being spread out from positive, negatives, and this is really nice because now you can show some of these what we call correlations, and you can do a lot of things with this, of course. But this is basically how you can do a scatter. Very straightforward.